Hello everyone, Taiwanese motorcycle manufacturer Kymco recently introduced the latest adventure-style automatic scooter, the Kymco CV-R5. This automatic scooter is predicted to be a tough opponent for the Honda X-ADV 750. Having a fairly fierce appearance like an adventure motorbike, the Kymco CV-R5 is expected to be launched for the European market at the 2024 EICMA event. The CV-R5 has a strong appearance of an adventure motorbike. There is a half fairing which, if seen, is similar to the motorbikes used in the Paris Dakar event. On the front, there is a rather high-smoke dark visor. There are round headlights with two parts, namely the top and bottom. This adventure-style automatic scooter from Kymco appears to have a high contour thanks to the use of a monoshock suspension and a swing arm that also looks sturdy. Supported again by a large exhaust like adventure motorbikes, adding to the dashing impression of Kymco's latest automatic scooter. Kymco, which is known to always present motorbikes that provide driving comfort, presents a unique seat model on its latest motorbike. The front seat is made lower than the passenger seat, which looks higher. There is no detailed information regarding the complete specifications of the CV-R5, however, based on information from various sources, this motorbike will carry a completely new engine from Kymco. It is said that this Adventure-matic is equipped with a 427cc engine with a torque of 40.2 Nm at 5,000 RPM. Unfortunately, it has not been confirmed for the single-cylinder or twin parallel engine configuration like the X-ADV. However, there is a possibility that the CV-R5 will carry a twin parallel engine, because currently Kymco has the Maxim TL500 scooter, where the motorbike uses a two-cylinder engine with a capacity of 465cc. It is not impossible that the Kymco CV-R5 will take the engine base from the Kymco Maxim TL5000. This estimate is getting stronger because the CV-R5 is equipped with a CVT and a chain final drive to the rear wheels. The front suspension uses upside down and the rear uses a monoshock model. For the braking system, it relies on double disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear.